Akala ko kay Elaine ka muna.
Alison, you have to help me. Pumunta ko kay Lola para kunin yung gamit ko, pero...
Hey, speaking of Lolo, he's calling.
No, please don't answer it.
But ayaw mo kausapin ko si Lolo. What's going on?
Alison, listen to me first. You really have to help me.
My God, Jared. What did you do this time?
Please handle this case discreetly, Chief. Si Allison lang alam kung matatakbuhan ni Jared. Doon natin siya puntahan.
Sige ho, sir.
Mauna na kayo at susunod ako.
Men, let's go.
Fred, sasama ka?
Oh. If I stay here, hindi lang ako mapapakali. Lalo lang maninikip ang dibdib ko. Gusto ko masiguro na mapaparusahan si Jared sa ginawa niya sa'yo. Gusto ko nandun ako pagtakip sa kanya.
Baka kung paano sasama na lang ako sa'yo.
Sige.
You tried to rape Luisa? You are out of control, Jared! This is too much! Talaga bang tinatapon mo na ang buhay mo, ha?
Alison, I was drunk. I think I was high, and hindi naman mangyayari daw kung wala akong tama nun eh.
Eh, pero nangyari na eh. Ginawa mo na.
Eh, pero hindi naman siya natuloy. Alison, I really need your help.
I don't know. Jared, ayokong kalabanin si Lolo on this one.
But you're all I have.
You can't be here. Dahil dito ka unang hahanapin ni Lolo. Sa akin kanya hahanapin. Here. Kailangan mo lumayo. Magpakalayo ka. I don't care where you go. Kailangan mong lumayo.
Yung kotse ko na sa labas.
Jared, mahuhuli ka na. Kotse mo pa rin ang iniisip mo.
Ilabas mo ang kapatid mo, Allison.
He's not here, Lolo.
I'm not stupid. Ayan ang kotse niya, oh.
Lolo, I told you that he's not here. Nung umuwi ako, nandiyan na yung kotse niya.
So you don't know what he tried to do to my fiancée. He attempted to rape her.
Iimbitahan lang po namin siya for questioning.
Sinabi ko nang wala siya dito eh.
Anong wala? Pumasok kayo.
Go, man.